everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, in this video, we are going to see how to fix SteamVR Bluetooth not available, enable Bluetooth, drivers, and headset fix. To fix the SteamVR Bluetooth not available error, you must ensure your native SteamVR compatible headset or link box is fully powered on and connected. At SteamVR's Bluetooth stack relies exclusively on the hardware built into HTC Vive or Valve Index devices rather than your PC's standard Bluetooth adapter. Fix 1. Check core isolation settings, Windows 11. Open Windows Settings and navigate to the Privacy and Security tab. From there, select Windows Security, then click on Device Security. Now click Core Isolation Details and toggle Memory Integrity to off. Then restart your PC to apply the changes. Fix 2. Manually install the Bluetooth drivers. First, close SteamVR completely, then open Windows File Explorer and navigate to your standard Steam installation path shown on screen. Then right-click Vive btdriver.exe and select Run as Administrator. Now follow the prompts to finish installing the driver, then restart your computer. Fix 3. Clear and reinstall USB drivers. Launch SteamVR and open Settings, then go to Developer or Advanced Settings. Now scroll down and click Remove all SteamVR USB devices. Then click Yes when prompted and close SteamVR. Now unplug the USB and power cables directly from the back of your link box. Wait for 60 seconds, then plug the power back in. And insert the USB cable into different port. The preferable port is USB 2.0 if using older HTC Vive hardware. After that, open SteamVR and let Windows reinitialize the drivers. Fix 4. Enable Bluetooth in SteamVR settings. Once the drivers are refreshed, manually turn on the communication toggles. In the SteamVR desktop widget, click the menu icon and select Settings. Now under the General or Bluetooth tab, check the box for Enable Bluetooth communication. If your base station fails to wake up, go to base station settings and enable Put base station in standby mode when VR is not in use. Fix 5. Check headset compatibility. MetaQuest, Pico, or WMR users. If you are using headsets like the Quest 3 via virtual desktop or link, the Steam VR Bluetooth not available message is normal and can be ignored. Steam VR's built-in Bluetooth only interacts with Index and Vive base station. To manage your base stations without an Index/Vive headset, use a third-party app like the Lighthouse Power Management mobile app or OVR Lighthouse Manager on GitHub. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.